Hi guys, you're welcome back to another mind-blowing video. So in today's video we are going to be preparing wrewre soup and fufu. So this is our wrewre. Before you prepare it, you have to pre-roast it, okay, so that the aroma and then the nutrient all would come out of it really well. So this was us washing our mortar and pestle to pound the wrewre, and we just went to harvest fresh pepper, so I decided to show you guys. Yes, so if you need pepper, just contact me. So after that, our mortar was ready and mama was dressing up the wrewre for us so we could pound. In case you don't know how we sort out things in the village, this is how we do it. So now after everything, we had to pound it, the roasted wrewre. This is wrewre you guys are seeing. So this is me pounding it well because we need it to be very smooth so that we can grind it in an earthen bowl, because there is no blender in the village. Oh, no blender. If we're using a blender, we would have just blended it. So mama said it was too much, so she had to reduce it so that the pounding will be easier. So this was us pounding it. It wasn't an easy thing though, but we made it, guys. So after pounding it smoothly, this was us scooping it into the earthen bowl so we can actually grind it smoother. Okay, so as we were grinding, the rain started falling, guys. We literally cooked in the rain, but I told you in one of my videos that when you are in the village, no matter how rain falls, you can still set fire in it, because if you don't set fire, you are gonna sleep hunger. So yeah, this was us peeling the cassava for the fufu. We just wanted to do the two things at the same time, like the fufu and then the soup, so that night will not catch us. But unfortunately, I don't know, let me just keep you guys curious. So yeah, guys, this was us dressing the cassava, for the fufu. We're just in a hurry to make sure we are done on time. Guys, so after everything, I decided to go and wash my hands. We decided to wash the cassava and then the yam as well. We peeled the yam and added it to the cassava dough. So yeah, guys, this was us pouring the dirty water out of the first one. Guys, in case you don't know how food is being prepared in the village, this is how it is. I know some people say ew, some people say oh. Yes, that is it, as simple as this. So after the first one, we decided to wash the second time again so that it will be very clean. So after everything, I had to go and put it on fire so that it can cook for us to proceed with the preparation, guys. So if you have watched till this time, I think it is nice if you subscribe, like, comment and share. So we grinded the wrewre very smoothly, and now we're scooping it from the earthen bowl, guys. So now we decided to add pepper. We have to grind our spices like the pepper, ginger, garlic and all that, so we can steam the meat. So this is our meat for the soup. Okay, so now, guys, we were washing it nicely into another pot so that we can proceed with our soup. Guys, isn't this preparation amazing? This preparation is amazing. So guys, this soup is very delicious, very healthy. So we needed to slice some onions into the meat so that it will give it a very nice aroma. So this was us grinding pepper, ginger, garlic, like I said already, so we can use it to steam the meat. So while we were grinding the spices, we were also making sure the wrewre is getting ready for boiling. Guys, at this point we were getting late, so everybody was like in a haste, like we're all in a hurry to make sure we are done on time. Guys, if you love this video, please share this video. Share this video, guys. Share it. So guys, after here, mama was doing what we call dawadawa. Dawadawa, I told you, is very healthy in our community. If you want me to talk about dawadawa, kindly comment it in the comment section. So yeah, our meat was ready. We poured the spices in it. So this was us adding salt to make sure there is salt in the meat. And then we had to use our hand to mix it. Please don't come and say, okay, you should have used ladle, you should have. We don't believe in ladle and whatever. We believe that our hand is very faster than any other thing you can use. That's why when you are living in the village, most things are done by your hand. So now we kept it on fire. We wanted to make sure the fire is burning so well so that we would finish on time. So guys, that was it. So this was us saving our wrewre to make sure it is smooth. Okay, after grinding it, it wouldn't be that smooth, so you have to sieve it like this so that it will be smooth. So we realized that it didn't grind well, so after everything we had to grind again so that we can get the small particles from the chows, because we wanted the soup to be plenty because the meat was plenty. Yeah, so Mama said, no, you guys should bring it. Let me show you what I can do. So yeah, I mean, our meat was nicely being steamed. So we had to turn it and turn and turn so that every part of the meat will get the spice and the salt. Oh my God. At this point, the aroma was wow. The aroma was wow. So it got late. We had to scoop it out of the pot and then start boiling our wrewre. Wrewre or wrewre kwine. That's how we call it in Ghana. Wrewre kwine. It means wrewre soup. So this was us sieving it again to make sure it is smoother. So at this point, our yam was ready, and Mama said, "Okay, let me put this down and drain it." We said, "No, Mama, you hurt yourself." That no, look at you guys. You are rather going to hurt yourself, so let me do it. We said, "Okay." So Mama had like nicely drained the water from it, and this is it, guys, ready for pounding. This fufu was very, very delicious. Like I tell you guys, this fufu was one in a million. If you have never eaten fufu before and you eat this particular food for the first time, you would always want it. So wrewre was boiling on fire. We kept some fresh tomatoes inside so it can soften for us to boil it. Guys, at this point, this is the soup. This is the soup, guys. So we removed the fresh tomatoes and then we grinded it and then we added the meat. I'm sorry I didn't capture that part, okay? I'm sorry, guys. Like, I'm really sorry. But after steaming the meat, you just add it to the wrewre and allow it boil for some time, and that's it. So this was us dressing our fufu, our almighty fufu, for the final burial. Yes, guys, you heard me. Final burial. So yeah, after dressing it, this is our lovely soup, guys. Guys, and this is Mon Ami serving the soup. Oh my gosh, she packed almost all the meat on our food. I was like, damn, Mon Ami, what is this? Inwardly, I was so happy because I knew I was gonna chew plenty of meat. So yeah, guys, I mean, this is us serving our soup with the fufu so we can go and do justice to the food. So yeah, as you're watching it, I hope you're enjoying, guys. Please, if you're enjoying, you know what to do. Just share this video because I'm happy to share this recipe. Go and try it out. This food is very natural, very rich, very healthy. You would like it, guys. So please do well to do this particular recipe. All right, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Let YouTube recommend my videos. Let those videos go viral. Let YouTube see that, okay, so there is a lady called Holistic Unistalada. So guys, yeah, this is us, doing justice to the food.